Hey everybody, it's Keith, Cage's Garage. We're here working on the HHR. This should be a quick little video. Let me show you what we're working on here. Um, I'm going to be replacing these hood struts. It holds the hood up. It's like the worst kind of struts because you think it's fine, the hood's up, but you just come down a little bit and it just slams. I mean, literally. Let me see if I can get it. Here we go. Ready? Watch. Pull it down that much. and it'll just slam on you. And it has slammed on me before. I was inside here. It sagged down and boom, and I'm like crunched in there. So I got to replace these before I forget. And I'll be like, oh, yeah, the hood's up. And then it slams on my head. It's real easy to do these. Let me show you on the new ones. So I got these here. They're strong arm 6310s. Okay. They come in that plastic sleeve, and that's weird. It's a different number on here. Can you see it? 46310P. I don't know what 18024 is, but anyway. The way you do these, the new ones just slap right on. There's a little ball socket. There's a little ball socket right here and right there. And you get a screwdriver. The hood's going to fall on me once I do this. You come over here. And you pry. Where can you see where am I at? Right here. Screwdriver. No, that's good. You just pry this little thing right here. I'm afraid the hood's gonna fall on me. All right, like that. And now that this is the piece that actually clips around the ball. So now that's off. That will just pop right off. Let me get the top one. What's the deal with this top one? I don't think I've ever changed this before. I've had this car for a long time. I mean, you can force it. Just all right. Let me get a different screwdriver. All right. So I got a different screwdriver. It's a little more pointy. I'm gonna get this in there. A smaller head on the thing. There we go. All right. So now I should be able to. I'm gonna hold the hood, one arm, pull that off. Yeah, it won't stay up. Just the one. Pull it off the other side. I want to get a rag. I just noticed how dirty that looks. So I just want to go get a rag, but the hood will not stay open with one. Here's a rag right here. It won't stay open with one strut. So anyway, let's put this back. 2 hands on this. Clean that off. Clean that off. Just on the other side. So now, we got the new one. This one goes like right here. Probably help if you had 2 people, but anyway. Take it and slide it on. Now the other side, let me show you this other side here. See right here? Now the cup part is on that side. You can just spin this. So I'm just spinning it. Now I gotta get it on there and there. And now the hood stays up. Now the hood stays up, and that's with one new one. Oh my gosh. Yeah. You know what? I wonder if I can push this in. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So I can push that in with my hand easily. Let's see the new one. The new one, I should not be able to do that. All right, so here's the new one. Let's see if I can push down on it. Oh my gosh. Nope. Nope. I mean, I can if I put more weight on it, but I'm just using one arm. I can compress that one. I can press this one with one arm, no problem. All right, so I'll do the same thing on this side. And I'll be right back, and I'll show you that the hood. I mean, the hood says. Well, the problem is that's not a problem. I mean, I could have probably just got away with just putting one new one, but come on. Do both of them. All right, let me take this one off, swap it, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how it closes then. Yep, here's the other one. That one's just as shot. One arm. I can press it down. All right, so now new struts. Took not even 5 minutes. But now you can see. Oh wow! I can actually hear them too. So now if I bring it, it's really tough to bring it down now. So there, I'm not going to close. I have a wire in there, but just open it, and it should just pop open. Actually, yeah, there you go. Before I had to bring it all the way up. All right. So there you go. Quick and easy. It's how to replace your hood struts. They weren't that expensive, maybe about $20 each side. So just, go to whatever parts store, website, whatever. Look up your vehicle, look for the hood struts. There you go. And it's a very easy job to do. I mean, you take the mechanic. I don't know how much they would charge you for this. It wouldn't be cheap. It wouldn't be around $50 is what it probably cost me to do this right now. So you figure it would probably double that. Anyway, you can do stuff yourself. Anyway, you can do stuff yourself. That's why I do this stuff. All right. Well, thanks a lot for watching. You'll see me in the next video. I don't know what it's going to be. Hope more car stuff. We'll see. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.